Hello children, I am Komal Jain, your maths teacher. So we will be discussing today exercise 2.6 from your linear equation in one variable. Let us see the first sum. So if you just see here, as I told you, it's very clear with your numerator and denominator. We'll go with cross multiplication, that is here. If you see nothing is there, we consider as 1. And when you multiply 8x minus 3, anything related, any number or any expression with 1, the answer will be the same. As you can see, 8x minus 3. But if I want to just multiply 3x into 2, here you can easily multiply, because in multiplication we just consider the numbers, that is 2 3s are 6, and x we are going to keep as it is. Now what is my next step is the same thing as usual. When we do here is x term one side, and I transpose this 6x here. If it is plus 6x, it will become minus 6x, and minus 3 we are going to shift that side, that is your RHS side. If it is minus, it becomes plus. As you can see here, this equation, that is 8x minus 6x is equals to 3. As simple, 8 minus 6 is nothing but 2, so I am going to write here 2x is equals to 3. So your x is equals to 2. If I transpose to the other side, it goes to your denominator, and your answer becomes x is equals to 3 by 2. I hope you have understood. This is very simple and easy sum, and we have already dealt with exercise 2.5 and what are the necessary steps we need to follow while solving the linear equation. Now let us go with the next one. If you see your second one, again the same thing, you have to go with the cross multiplication here. If nothing is there, we have to consider as 1 about here 1. So anything you multiply by 1, the answer will give you as 9x, the same thing. So here, and the 7x I'm going to multiply to this 15. So can you see this bracket here? It's written here. So now I'm going to solve one by one. 15 into 7 will give you 105 minus sign as it is, and 15 into 6 will give you 90, and as there is a x here, I'm going to continue writing here down. So I hope this till here it is clear with you all. And same thing, what is my next step? Transposing, that is the variable one side, x term one side, and the numbers one side. X term means the 90, I'm going to transpose this side. If it is minus 90, it becomes plus 90. Can you see here? Yes. And similarly, this 105 will be remaining as it is in the RHS. We are not transposing it. So 90x plus 99x is nothing but 99x is equals to 105. Now it's very easy to find the x value, where I'm going to transpose the 99 to the other side. It goes to the denominator, that is multiplication becomes division. And here you can just see if you can take into the lowest term. Here I can keep the answer as it is. If you can try, you can try. Well, if you see, we can go with the 3's table here. Let me just cancel it for you. 3 3s are 9 and carry 1. So here 1 and 5 becomes 15, the 35, and 3 3s are 33s are. That is 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9. So 35 divided by 33. This also answer you can expect, but as it is given the answer same, you can leave it as it is. So shall go for the next one now. Yeah, it is given here. So here it is 35 by 33. That is taking the lowest term. Now we'll go with the next one here. If you just see here, z divided by z plus 15 is equals to 4 by 9. Again the same process. What is that first step is cross multiplication. When I cross multiply, z into 9 will become 9z as it is given here, and 4 into z plus 15, I'll keep it in a bracket for your easy solution. Now what I'm going to do here, I'm going to multiply here. 4 into z is nothing but 4z. Can you see down there? And plus sign as it is, 4 into 15 becomes 60. So after this 4z I'm going to transpose to the other side. If it is plus 4z, it becomes minus 4z. This is the step what we are doing. And the 60 will remain as it is in the RHS. So 9 minus 4z is nothing but what? 9z minus 4z. Here it is subtraction and they are like terms, so we can go for subtraction. That is 9z minus 4z will give you 5z. Okay. is equals to 60. So here, if you just see here, 5z also we can transpose to the RHS side. If you transpose, the multiplication becomes division, the same process, and you can just cancel it. That is 5 ones are and 5 12s are. So your answer will be as z is equals to 12. That is what here it is. Okay, I hope this is also easy and it is easy to understand. Only you need to keep in mind that you have to go with the cross multiplication, and then you're going to uh, solve one by one by transposing the variable, that is one variable one side and the numbers one side, and at last you're going to transpose for the to find the value of the variable, right? So we'll go with the next one now. 3y plus 4 minus 2. See, if you just see here also the same condition, what we will do is cross multiplication again. So here if you just see 5 we have multiplied to this 3x5 plus 4, and 2 we have multiplied as it is minus 2. So minus 2 is multiplied to the your down denominator. So 1 by 1, 5 3 is 15, and plus sign as it is 15y as it is 3y. 5 into 3y is 15y, plus sign as it is, and 5 4s are 20 is equals to minus 2 into 2. That is minus 2 into 2 is minus 4, and minus sign, that is minus into minus becomes plus. And the same thing, minus 2 into 6y will give you what? Minus 6. See, minus 2 into minus 6. Minus 2 into minus 6 will be what? Plus 12, as minus into minus becomes plus. Hope it is clear to you all. So that's what we get this equation. Now what we will is next is the y term we have to take one side, and the numbers we should take the other side. So if it is plus 12, it becomes minus 12 here, and if it is plus 20 here, it becomes minus 20. So I hope the sign conversion and the transposing is clear to you all. Then at last, if you just solve it, 15 minus 12 will give you what? 3y. And minus 4 and minus 20 is nothing but addition as per your integer, that is minus minus will become addition, that is minus 24. Now if I want only the value of y, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to transpose this 3 to the other side, which will go to your denominator, and I'll get cancelled, that is 3 ones are 3 8s are. So 3 y is equals to minus 8. So that's what your answer is, y is equals to minus 8. Okay, let us go with the next one. Yeah, this is the question here. Fine, we'll solve one by one now. So what are we going to do? Yes, the same step we are going to follow for this sum also. What we are going to do is cross multiplication here. Okay, so 3 into 7 bracket 7y plus 4 is equals to minus 4 bracket y plus 2. So 3 into 7 is nothing but 21y, and 3 plus 4, that is 3 into 7 is 21y, plus sign as it is 3 into 4 is 12. Minus 4 into y is minus 4y. Minus into plus becomes minus, and minus 4 into 2 becomes minus 8. So I hope the whatever we have done is uh, just we have multiplied it and we have opened up the bracket as per our Bodumas rule. Once again I will just like to tell you all is 7 3s are, that is 3 into 7y will give you 21y, plus sign as it is plus, so 3 4s are plus 12. Okay, till here. Then minus 4y, that is 4 into minus y is minus 4y, minus into plus becomes, if you see the sign here, minus into plus becomes minus, and the minus 4 into 2 becomes what? Minus 8. So I hope this is clear for you all. What is my next step then? Yes children, we are going to transpose the variable one side and the numbers one side. So that is what the minus 4y, if I transpose here, it becomes plus 4y, and plus 12 if I transpose there, it becomes minus 12. I hope it is clear to you all. Then further, if 21y plus 4y will give you what? 25y, and minus 8 and minus 12, again the integer part comes, minus 8 minus 12 becomes minus 20. That's what is this equation. So 5 y is equals to minus 20 divided by 25. So you can cancel it because as it comes in one table, that is 5 5s are and 5 4s are. As sign is minus, so you have to keep it minus. So your answer becomes minus 4 by 5. So I hope this is clear to you all. So just see, if you have any doubt in this, you can just send me a message so that I can clear your doubt at that point of time. So we'll go with the next one then. This is a story problem here and it's very easy, children. The age of Harry and Hurry are in the ratio of 5 is to 7. And 4 years from now, the ratio of their ages will be 3 is to 4, and find the present age. See, we don't know the ages of Harry and Hurry. Think it is an X. And it is given as the ratio, that is, they have given the ratio in terms of 5 into 5 is to 7. So let's the age or let's the ages of Hurry and Harry be 5x is to, see, Hurry's age, as it is given 5 is to 7 ratio, we have to take 5x years, and Harry's age will be 7x. So after 4 years means the 4 years is added to your present age. If it is present age is 5x, so Hurry's age will come after 4 years, it will become 5x plus 4, what is written here. Same thing, if it is Harry's age, 7x plus 4 will become 7x plus 4. So if they are given here, after 4 years the ratio will be 3 is to 4. Okay, so here it is, you are equating both the things. So now what, again the same thing, cross multiplication comes into picture. So 4 you're going to multiply with this bracket, that is 5x plus 4, and 3 you're going to multiply 7x plus 4. So now if I want to solve it further, 4 into 5 will give you 20x, plus sign as it is 4 4s are 16, 3 7s are 21x, plus sign as it is 3 4s are 12. So here there is no minus sign, so we should not be worried. We can just go with this equation. What is my next step, children? Yes, as always we do, we transpose the variable one side and the numbers other side. So here the 21 plus 21x will become minus 21x, and plus 16 will become minus 16x. So here 20x minus 21x is nothing but minus x. Why? Because when you just separately minus it as per the integer, it becomes minus 1, because minus 21 is greater than plus 20. So your answer will be minus 1. As there is a x, so we are considering minus x. I hope this you have understood. Similarly, 12 minus 16, the same thing. 12 is lesser than 16, so we have to consider the minus sign here. So 16 minus 12 is nothing but 4. This is the x is here, minus sign and minus sign we can cancel, so x is equals to 4. So here we have got the value of x, and if I want to find the ages of Hurry, 5 into, see, Hurry's age we have assumed as 5x. So what I'm going to do is 5 into 4 is nothing but 20. So Hurry's age is 20. Similarly, if I want to know Harry's age, wait a second. Yeah, sorry for the inconvenience. Similarly, if I want to find the Harry's age here, 7 into x will give you 7 into 4, that is 28 years. So I hope it is clear to you all. If you have any doubt, please do let me know. Okay, and we have done with the exercise 2.6, and I'm going to start with the new, okay, 7th one is also there, children. We'll just discuss 7th one as well. So if you just see here, the denominator of rational number is greater than its numerator by 8. So denominator of a rational number we don't know. Let it be as x by x, and its denominator is, so its numerator is great. See, its denominator of a rational number is greater than by 8. So here it is. If you just see here, let the numerator of rational number be as x and the denominator x plus 8, because it is, they are telling greater than numerator by 8. Okay, if the numerator is increased by 17, again the same thing, if I am adding here as a 17, the denominator is decreased by 1, same thing here, what we are doing, we are subtracting again 1 there, and the number obtained is 3 by 2. So if I take further, if you just see here, 8 minus 1 is nothing but 7. That's what we are getting here. Okay. Same thing. Now if once you get this, it's very easy to solve. Let me tell you once again. Nothing but the before what the condition they gave us, the denominator of a rational number is greater than the numerator by 8. So if we have a rational number as x, its denominator will be greater by 8, means more than 8. The value is more. So that becomes what your addition, that is x plus 8. If the numerator is increased by 7, so that means you have to add the 17 into your numerator. If you just see here what we have done. When we add 17 or when we increase it by 17, we need to decrease denominator by minus 1. That's what we are doing here. After doing that, what answer we are going to get? 8 minus 1 will give you 7. And this is what your final equation. Okay. Let us move here, and after getting this equation, it's very easy to solve, children. That is this one. What we are going to do is we are going to cross multiply. 2 into x plus 17 is equals to 3 into this bracket x plus 7. So after cross multiplying, you need to just multiply separately. How to do that? I'll tell you. 2 into x is nothing but 2x plus sign as it is. 2 into 17 is equals to 34. 3 into x is 3x plus sign as it is, and 3 into 7 is nothing but 21. So that's what your equation you get after multiplying. After multiplying, what is my next term? I'm going to transpose the x term one side and numbers one side. So if it is plus 3x, it will become minus 3x. And if it is plus 34x, sorry, not x, if it is plus 34, the number or constant, and it becomes the minus 34. So after getting, after separating the terms as per the variable and number, variable one side and the numbers one side, what we can do is here we are going to solve it like 2x minus 3x. 2 minus 3 is nothing but minus 1. So if as it is there is x here, so minus x here. 21 minus 34 is again minus 13. Just check it. You will get to know. So minus into minus and minus will get cancelled. The answer what you're going to get is, if you see here, x is equals to 13. So after getting that answer, that means the numerator was 13 and the denominator is 13 plus 8. And when you add it, the total you're going to get is 13 into 13 by 21 is your answer. Okay, if you have any doubt regarding any word problem or in the sum of this exercise 2.6 separately, you can just message me and I'm there. If any time I can help you out with your doubts or whatever you have the problem regarding this exercise. Okay, so this completes your exercise 2.6. Hope you have, what you're going to do is you're going to note it down in your classwork and submit. After submission of your homework, I'll be sending you the link so that you can fill the attendance. Those who are going to submit the homework, for them only I'm going to send the attendance link. I hope you have understood this and kindly submit the homework in time. Thank you.